This is video 3 for week 6, and I'm starting at slide 20. So now that you know what color resonates the most with you, the traits of the color, you picked your color, and you know if you're introverted or extroverted, you've thought about that. We're going to do an activity, and what I'll do is I will assign people to go to a specific room based on what color they are, and they'll complete this activity. It's just a fun activity. Silly, it's not silly. It's a good activity to get you to see what it's like to work in a group to solve a problem with people who have the same personality as you. So we'll have a few minutes to do that. And then what we'll do is we will debrief what the process of being in a group with people of the same color was like and what it might have been like if you were in a group with different colored people, okay, people that have different personality types. And then I will walk you through some slides to tell you a little bit more information about each of the color types. So you can learn a little bit more about if you're working in a group with people of different colors, how you can support them, and how you can work to their best qualities, right? You always want to have people doing the things that they like the best in a group, or the things that they do well in a group, so that they're most productive and happy. Okay, so the reason we're kind of looking at this is because teamwork and group work is really important in the workplace. And so these are a couple of job interview questions that you might be asked, okay? And so you can reflect on, especially if you don't have a lot of work experience, what you've learned this week and last week about, group roles, right? And conflict, how to manage conflict strategies, and working with people who maybe have different personality types than you. Later, we'll talk even more about diversity in our groups, but for now, you can think about how you would apply what you're learning today, this week, to answer these questions. Okay, so these slides, I'm not going to do a spoiler on them. These slides all go through and they tell you about the strengths and some of the challenges that you should know, be aware of when you work with different colors. And that's pretty much what we're going to do during class time this week.